Are you ready to master the world of investment in the stock market? Are you a beginner investor or seasoned professional wondering how to grow their understanding of a company's earnings and financial ratios? Well then, welcome to Investinality, your go-to resource to weather all market conditions. I'm an analyst with nearly 10 years of investment experience, and my goal is to clarify investment concepts such as the PE, EPS, and PEG ratio into bite-sized portions so any investor can grasp the concept. Each week we'll break down complex stock terms into understandable concepts, providing practical examples and formulas you can use. Join us on this investing journey and get ready to empower your financial decisions with Investinality. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive instant notifications for our latest updates. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of investing. See you on my first EPS video.